Hello. It is Dolly. Welcome to my channel, Scrapping on the Go. This process video is for Mini Kit Monday with Becky, Kathy, and myself. And I am the Mini Kit Monday host for the month of November. I selected a mood inspiration piece from Pinterest, and then I also selected some tic-tac-toe boards to challenge you to use each week when creating your layouts. You can find that over at our Facebook group site, which I will have the link listed below. For layout number 3, I am using the tic-tac-toe board that in the middle says pumpkin, and I am going to go diagonally across and use green, pumpkin, and die cuts. And so I'm going to circle that to remind me as I create this layout. I have 3 photographs that I'm going to document of my little guy, my ephemera die cut pieces, the chipboard pieces, the sticker sheet, and the paper are from the Becky Storyline collection. I am also going to use wood stickers that are of pumpkins that are from Close to My Heart. Those 2 buttons that you see over to the right are from Yes Please Paper Crafts. And then these are the 3 papers that I selected. I'm going to use this orange one to back my photographs. I was just making sure that's the color that I wanted to use. The tone on tone orange right there is tiny little polka dots, and it is distressed. And that will be my main base layer or first layer. Then I will take this green geometric design, and I originally cut it 4 inches by 12, and that was too thin, so I went 5 inches by 12. I'm going to place that over to the right, and before I secure that down, I am going to use the Tim Holtz Distress ink in Black Soot. And matter of fact, I think this is the last time I use that ink pad. It went dry, and I really love my Close to My Heart in the gray. It's called Charcoal, and it is a perfect match to the Tim Holtz Distressed ink and Black Soot. So I'm in love with that from Close to My Heart, so I am using that here on out or moving forward. So I will ink that 5 by 12 piece of paper, and then after I mat my photographs, I will also ink the edges of my matted photographs as well. I'm going to place my photographs over there to the right, and they are going to layer on top of each other and just be kind of free-flowing. They're not going to be straight, and I love that. And now I am selecting the different die cut ephemera pieces from the Becky Storyline collection, and you're going to see me change it up just a little bit. And so while you watch me figure out the placement of these ephemera pieces, I just want to take a moment to remind you that I will have Becky and Kathy's link to their YouTube channel. Boy, spit it out. I will say that again. Listed below in the description box will be the link to Becky and Kathy's YouTube channel so that you can go check out what they created this Monday. Then I will also have the link to our Facebook group site if you would like to play along. And again, all you need to do is snap a photograph of your kit and then upload your layouts that you created, and you will get 5 entries total. If you only upload 3 photographs, then you're only going to get 3 entries, but you get a maximum of 5 entries for the month of November to possibly win a curated kit from me or a gift card. It will be your choice as far as what you want to receive. All right, back to the layout. So now I am punching out little acorns from the Close to My Heart wood die cut pieces that came out in September, October from Close to My Heart. And then I put the leaves over here on the right hand side. And these are super, super sticky. So you want to make sure where you want to place these wood stickers from Close to My Heart before you peel off the back, because once it's down, it will rip. They're very, very thin wood die cut sticker pieces. So if you have picked these up from Close to My Heart, I just want to let you know that. All right, I'm going to change the layering here in the lower right hand corner. So we have the typewriter, we have an orange ticket, and then I have the pumpkin, and then I'm going to bring in one of those flare buttons that I picked up from Yes Please Paper Crafts, and if I remember, I will have a link listed to her shop. If I forget to put that in the description box below, just message me and I will be glad to share them. Karen is the owner, and she has an awesome shop there. All right. Then I will add some splatters, and I'm going to show that here in a minute, which splatters I use. But I'm pointing out that I used these orange glitter stickers to put the year. And off camera, I used Dilution Shimmer Spray in Tangerine, then Dilution Shimmer Spray in Pure Sunshine, and then I used the Dana Wakley Medium Gloss Spray in Fur. And I added my splatters all over there on the left-hand side, cascading down the entire layout there. This layout is complete, very, very simple. Love how it turned out. The only thing left for me to do is some journaling, and the photographs are about my little guy reading a book as we were helping my brother-in-law set up his tiny house. All right, the close-ups are coming up here at the end. If you're not a subscriber, I would love to have you as a subscriber. Please give us all a thumbs up, and that helps bring traffic to our channel, and leave us comments below. We'll see you next time. Bye.